Right, we're going to look at significant figures, and this is something that you always kind of forget, and it is used in so many topics. So when we do Pythagoras, when we do trigonometry, you're going to need this. So we're going to do one significant figure first, then two significant figures, and then three significant figures, and it'll be Hegarty video 130. So one significant figure, you start from the first non-zero term. So here's the first non-zero term. I'm going to put a line there. This number here, if that is 5 or more, you round up this number here. So that is 5 or more, so that becomes 9. Then we can't just have 9 because 9 is nowhere near 8,600. We fill it in with the zeros, so it's 9,000. That could be worded as to the nearest thousand as well. It's the same again. 1 cut off. This one is less than 5, so we keep it as 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, remember what I said? We do not count these zero numbers. We start at 2, and there's my cut-off point. 8 is above 5, so that is going to change to a 3. These numbers do not change. That changes to a 3. So if you pause your video and then have a little go at that. So after 1, there's your cut-off point. 4 is less than 5, so that would be 500. Doesn't change. Cut-off point. 8 is 5 or more. That changes to a 7. They become zeros. 3 zeros. Do not include. There's your cut-off point. 3 is less than 5, so there's not going to be no change there. 0.002. It's exactly the same with two significant figures. You just count in 1, 2. Cut-off point. 4 is less than 5, so this 8 stays the same. There's nothing happening to this 6. There's only a special case when that would happen. 2 places there to 2 zeros. Cut-off point. 7 is 5 or above, so that is going to change that to a 2. So 32, 1, 2, 3, thousands. Don't count the 0. 1, 2, there's your line. Now this is a special case here. Is that 5 or above? Yes it is. So that means that this one will round up. 9 will go to 10, so that will make that go to 50. So it's 0.50. You'd be tempted to not put the 0 on the end, but you will not get that right in an exam, and Hegarty Maths will mark it wrong. So if you write 0.5, you will get that wrong. Let's have a go at those ones. There's your cut-off point. 9 goes up to 5. 35, 1, 2, 3, zeros. Cut-off point. 9 above 5 goes up to 9, 29, 1, 2, 3, thousand. Cut-off point. 8 is above 5, so that 9 goes up to 10, which makes that go up to 70. Right, and three significant figures is exactly the same. There's your point there. 1, 2, 3. 6 is 5 or above. The 4 and 8 stay the same, nothing happens. The 7 becomes an 8 because of that. 1, 2, 3. Put the 1,000 on. 1, 2, 3. Cut-off point. 5 is 5 or above, so that is going to go up to 7. 34.7. So do not count these. 1, 2, 3. 6 is 5 or above, so 0.0. The 4 and the 5 do not change. 6 is 5 or above, so the 1 goes up to 2. You try the your turn ones. 1, 2, 3, cut off point. 6 is 5 or above, so that's going to go to 4. 5, 9, 4. Don't forget the 2 zeros on the ends. 1, 2, 3, cut off points. Lower than 5, so stays as 21.8. Ignore these. 1, 2, 3. Lower than 5, so stays the same. 0.00912. I hope you've understood that, and I do apologise for my washing machine. I hadn't realised it was on. Sorry.